2568 Hitchcock. So we do have grass in the front. We're in a very beautiful community. There's also a little bit of grass in the back. I don't think there's a lot to be done with this property. I think 100% repaint, but we have these beautiful plantation shutters on all of the windows. Maybe change out this light fixture, maybe remove those mirrors just for safety reasons. Carpet looks okay, tile looks okay. There's no additional door in the garage that needs to be rekeyed. We do need to remove this water softener. There's no pan on the earthquake. I'm sorry, no pan on the water heater. There are earthquake straps. I think the cabinets look like they're in fine condition. We already have a white space saver microwave, so it'd be great if we could keep the white appliances. The fridge looks more modern than the other appliances. This carpet looks okay. It's a little dark here. I don't know if it can come up with cleaning or not. So this side of the yard is the north side and almost never gets a good deal of sun. Plus, whatever sun we do have, it has we have those palm trees, all those palm trees, and this little pergola right here. So there's definitely grass, but we do have the concrete and the patio cover, so that's a nice plus. So right now I'm looking a little northwest. That's why we have a little bit of sun. We have these beautiful bifold plantation shutter doors as well. So we don't tend to install these because they're more expensive and they're difficult, if not impossible, to repair. A lot of times they have to be replaced, but that would be the tenant's responsibility if they break it. These cabinets look to be in beautiful condition. Tile seems fine. Nice wide bathroom. Get a drain stopper down there. Those baseboards are looking really dirty. Maybe a good janitorial or possibly paint. That's a weird light bulb. So we have French doors to the master. Carpet looks pretty good. Fan is older, but it seems to be functioning well. Again, tons of plantation shutters. Tile looks good. The caulking seems fine. Just doesn't seem like there's a lot of little things that need to be done in this property. Yeah. These cabinets seem fine as well. Here's the master closet. Pretty straightforward. That mirror might be able to stay. Okay. There's no ceiling fan or light in here. There's a smoke detector. We have the plantation shutters. We don't have closet door guides. We do have a rod. This room seems a little small, just for the record. But this room's a little larger. The other room will probably be used as an office or something. We do have closet door guides, no fan or light, but nice shutters on these windows as well. So that's it.